Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth device in Linux Mint. First, confirm your computer's Bluetooth adapter is active. Then, navigate to your system menu and open the Bluetooth settings application. It's crucial that the device you wish to connect is powered on, discoverable, and ready for pairing. This initial setup ensures a smooth connection process. Let's get started. Once your device appears in the list, simply click the Add Device button. Your computer will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your specific device shows up, select it to initiate the pairing process. Sometimes, a pairing code will display on both your computer and the device. Confirm this code to complete the secure connection. It's a straightforward step. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're at work or on the go. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After successful pairing, your device will show as connected in the Bluetooth settings. From here, you have full control over your connections. You can disconnect a device temporarily or remove it entirely if you no longer need it. Reconnecting a previously paired device is usually just one click away, making it super convenient for daily use. Enjoy your wireless freedom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.